everyone, my name is Keishante Chantel and welcome to my channel. If you are new here or if you grew here, welcome and welcome back. So we're doing this really fun, cute, festive. My makeup looks good, let's be honest. It looks good and I'm loving it. So we're gonna do this makeup look today. I'm going through all the products that I use and the colors. So stick around, we'll jump straight in. Subscribe, of course. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, we'll just jump straight into this makeup tutorial because it's stunning. Alright, so I want to start off using a foundation that I haven't used in a very long time. This is the Kat Von D Good Apple foundation. I use the shade Tan 66. I have been obsessed with that. But first, I do want to put some moisturizer on. I typically use my Bobbi Brown, but right now I'm going to use Clinique's Dramatically Different. This one's just a lightweight moisturizer. It's actually more of like a lotiony moisturizer versus being like a cream, but it definitely hydrates my skin. I get tons of compliments on my skin in general, but you know, I have a very simplistic makeup routine or skincare routine, shall I say. I don't know about y'all. Oh my goodness. I don't know about y'all, but this pollen it's been I don't know about y'all, but this pollen has been kicking my ass this season. It really has. I just love this foundation. It is, I don't know, it's my top foundation is NARS, of course. But this one, oh yeah, this is number 2 because it just, I just love it. I love it. I love it. So guys, I'm gonna put you on to this wig. I have been ordering my wigs from a place called Hair So Fly. So if you haven't heard of them, they sell synthetic wigs. They also carry human hair wigs. I think I probably paid like $30 or $40 for this one. It's an HD lace, but it's like just a curly wig, and this is in the store for like $70. I don't know if that's where my local beauty supply orders them from and then just marks up the price. So I've been obsessed with the Best Skin Ever concealer from Sephora. This one is in the shade 21.5Y, which has a yellow undertone to it. And I just do a little triangle here and there and sweep it out. And then upside down on the forehead and right across the chin. Those are the places where I like to have like a little bit more brighter look and it just be focused. Now this cream contour stick you can't get anymore, unfortunately. This one's by Juvia's Place. You could probably find it on like Amazon or eBay, but if you don't feel like going through the trouble, then of course Black Opal has one as well, which is really nice. I'm gonna let that sit for a second while I work on brows. I gotta get over this congestion because this ain't it, honey. So I feel like the last time like I really sat down and talked to you guys was when I got my lip fillers and my chin augmentation. If you haven't checked out that video, I did vlog my experience with that, and it was an experience. So check that out, but I feel like I healed up pretty nicely. Still look the same as before. I almost wondered like, what did I spend money on? Because, you know, it's almost so natural. But I think, you know, if you just want to be lightly enhanced, that's the way to go. A little bit goes a long way. So this is a Bobbi Brown eyebrow pencil. Their eyebrow pencils is really nice. The price ain't too nice, but the pencil is really nice. All right, so I'm just gonna start blending this concealer. I like to take the bottom part like this right here and blend it down, but I don't really touch the part up there too much because I want it to be the most concentrated in that area. And then I like to fuse these two colors together. So I love working with creams. I used to not be a cream girl. I used to love the powder, but creams just blend together so much more effortlessly and seamlessly, and it just kind of looks better. Now I will go over and set with a powder because, you know, creams have a lot of oils in it. You don't want it to like go anywhere. Gosh, this brush kind of hurt. And then I like to take, once I'm done doing that, just a regular concealer brush and just pat that concealer in that area. But I'm pressing it into the skin. And that's honestly really pretty. That's the look that we want. I like that brighter in the center. And then to set, I'm gonna use my Anastasia translucent powder in the shade Banana. And make sure that you set one eye at a time, and then just kind of go back over and touch up so you don't have any creases, because where you set is where that powder is gonna go. And if there's a crease there, that's what's getting set. So I just put it on my powder puff, tap it on the back of my hand, and press it into my skin. And now I'm going back in with a second layer. This is just a little bit heavier. And then I will set my forehead where I put the concealer, and then my chin. All right, so for my bronzer, I'm gonna be using this Morphe palette. This one is their highlight and contour palette in the shade, well, 8L. That's what's on the back of it. So I'm just gonna start dipping into these three shades. And I like to start off by pressing the powder into my skin. And I take it like at the top of my cheekbones and halfway down, but not so much directly on the cheek area. It just creates a little bit of a shadow and a bronzy look. And then I will take that kind of over the powder on my chin, and then I do it same thing on the forehead. And then for my blush, I'm gonna use the tawny shade from Bobbi Brown with that same brush that kind of has the powder, that bronzing powder on it, because I kind of want them to mix. And I just take that on top of my cheeks now. So it kind of gives like a little bit of a sunburnt, but like rosy, not too baby pink, because I wasn't going for like that baby pink tone today. I'm gonna use my Morphe Continuous Mist. Ooh. Just to soften up some of those powders a little bit. And then for my eyeshadow base, I'm just gonna use the concealer that was on the brush. I don't know if you guys remember this palette. This is the Mandalorian palette from ColourPop. One of my favorites. Now I actually broke the gold shade in here, but I tried to fuse it back with alcohol. We're gonna use this. I'm gonna start off using that lighter brown. This one's the shade Just Like a Tatooine. I've never seen that movie, but I just thought that little the little Mandalorian was so cute. And my niece actually brought me a Mandalorian stuffed animal for my birthday one year. I still have it. Okay, next I'm going in with the shade Droid Protocol, which is like this dark brown. I'm just gonna put that on the outer parts. I'm going to take that gold shade, the Force, and that's going to go in my inner corner. And then I'll just take that halfway to the center of the lid. So we did get a little bit of fallout because the shadow, of course, is broken. So I'm just gonna take that. We're gonna take this brush and knock off like the excess because it does have setting powder in it. It's gonna help for the shadow not to stick and drag across my face. So yeah. Now for my mascara, I'm gonna use Bobbi Brown's Smoky Eye Mascara. This one, it's a really good mascara. I can't find my Anastasia one, which has been my favorite lately, but this gonna get the job done too. So we're gonna do more of a dramatic lash today. I've been keeping my lashes kind of simple because, well, I don't know. And then I do mascara on the bottom as well. These are the lashes that I'm going to use. These are from B2 Lash. I get them from TikTok Shop. But what I am going to do is I'm going to cut the ends. Okay. These are very dramatic, but they're really pretty. When you wear like the bold eyelashes like this does tend to close your eyes off and also your shadow. And then when you wear like the smaller ones that are a little bit more accent, you can see the shadow and you can see your eyes. This one gives more of like a sultry look. And then of course, if you put a smaller one, it's gonna give like more of the baby doll vibes. Just depends on what look you're going for. Neither choice is wrong. Cause she's that girl. Cause she's that girl. Morphe has some of the best lip liners. I have been into Anastasia's lip liners, but we both know that there's a price difference. So we're gonna be using the Morphe lip liner in the shade Bite Me. This is like this really everyday brown. Kind of puts me in the mind of Oak by MAC. And I do overline just a little bit, but yeah, no. And then I'm gonna use the shade Haze, which is really pretty. It's by Anastasia. It's like this kind of, it's a neutral color. Like you can barely see it, but you'll see it when it goes on. This is like the perfect ombre lip. And then I'm gonna do some hair store lip gloss. If you're not using lip gloss from the hair store, I don't know why you would want to pay like $20 for a MAC lip gloss when you can get the same effect from the hair store. Just saying. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on. Use my fingers to diffuse. Oh, I know this is not available in stores. You can find a peachy highlighter out there somewhere, or you can just have this look by itself. This is the Jackie Aina La Peach highlighter. It is a very old highlighter. I'm talking like 7 years old. So So it's from the Artist Couture collab. And it's just basically a gold highlighter. Like, it's stunning because it's like really pretty. But you could just use like a regular gold. And I don't even know if you can see that. Can't see it. Can't see it. Only because I want to bling blow. So yeah. You can see it more right now. I'm not gonna put any up here, but yeah, I think I'm gonna hit it with some more setting spray. This time I'm going in with the Supercharged Ceramides and Antioxidants, and yeah, that is it for this makeup look. She's stunning, she's fierce, she's very neutral, glowy skin, on point, okay? Makeup on point. Like, this Good Apple foundation is starting to really have my heart. I did try the Anastasia one, and I did a little review on it, and I thought it was good. And then I tried it a couple more times. I was like, not really feeling it. So I'm back on my NARS and my Kat Von D. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, sticking it out, thugging it out with me. I'm sorry if I'm so nasally. It's this damn pollen is killing me, like literally. So if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join my beautiful online family. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of this house so I can get to work, and I hope you guys have the most amazing day. Bye. I'm looking for Neverland, backtracking on memory lanes, hoping it's not just a wonder.